Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to solve a frustrating sprinkler issue. You look at your Irritrol RD600EXTR controller and see a flashing fuse message on channel 1. This indicates a short circuit. It does not mean you need to replace a physical fuse. The controller has a smart, self-resetting electronic fuse. The flashing light is just an alert. Let's walk through the steps to find and fix this problem easily. First and most importantly, safety. Always disconnect the power to your controller before you touch any wires. You can unplug it from the wall or turn off the corresponding circuit breaker. Now, let's isolate the problem. Open the front panel of your controller to access the wiring terminals. You will see a strip with numbers for each station. Find the wire connected to terminal 1. Disconnect only that single wire. Leave the common wire, usually marked COM, connected. Now, restore power to the controller. Look at the display. If the flashing fuse error is gone, you have great news. The controller itself is working fine. The problem is somewhere in the field wiring or the valve solenoid for that specific station. If the error remains even with the wire disconnected, you may have a rare controller fault, but let's assume the error disappeared. The next step is to check the solenoid, which is the most common cause of this error. Turn the power off again. Go to your valve box in the yard and locate the valve for station 1. The solenoid is the cylindrical part on top of the valve with two wires coming out. Disconnect the two wires from the solenoid. You can test it with a multimeter set to ohms. A good solenoid will read between 20 and 60 ohms. A reading of 0 or near 0 means it's shorted, which is our problem. If you don't have a multimeter, a simple trick is to swap it with a known good solenoid from an adjacent, working station. If the problem moves to the new station, you have confirmed the solenoid is bad. Replacing a solenoid is simple. You just unscrew the old one and screw on the new one. If the solenoid tests good, then you must inspect the field wire. Trace the wire from the controller to the valve box. Look for any damage from shovels, lawn edgers, or animal chews. Repair any breaks with waterproof wire connectors. Following these steps will almost always fix the flashing fuse error on channel 1. Thank you so much for watching. If this guide helped you solve your problem and save some money, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Your support allows us to keep making helpful content. We'll see you in the next one.